I'ma really, really need first aid.
Today, who will find a spot, of course, to make it to the grand finals of the most prestigious male event in the Metro. This is Manila's finest hub in its 12th year. Of course, this is our second elimination round. Take a good look at our humps today, tonight. Maraming salamat, humps. You may